Good morning. This morning I'm gonna make a block for the disappearing 9-patch disappearing quilt. Okay, I've got 5 pieces of material here, and I'm gonna put white material here. All right, and this is what it's gonna look like when I sew it together. All right. All right, now let me sew these together and I'll bring you back. All right, let me get this up here where you can see it. I've got this sewed together. Okay, and I'm gonna cut this in a, cut this way in half and this way in half, and then I'll show you what I'm gonna do. Let me get my, okay. I've got, there's 4.5 inches across here. I've got it set for 2 1/8 and 1/4 inches there. I'm using my rotary cutter. Okay. I have got quilting stuff all over my dining room. If anybody comes, I have to cook, I'll have to clean up the dining room. Okay. Okay, I got that. And I'm going to turn this one this way and turn this one this way. Let me get my, pin this together. Okay. When I get these sewed together, I'll bring you back. All right, I've got the block together. Now I've got 2 more blocks to make before I start sewing my blocks together. So when I get them made and sew the get the top together, I will bring you back and show you how pretty it is. All right, there's the, I've got them all laid out there. I ain't got them sewed together yet. But that's gonna be so pretty. This is the second or third one I made of disappearing 9-patch disappearing block, quilt. But this is one with the patterns like this. So if you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when you got another video, when I got another video coming out. And y'all have a blessed weekend. Today's Friday. I'm going to put this in out about 2 o'clock this evening. Y'all have a wonderful week. Just like, share, and subscribe.